Why 99% of Americans stay broke? The truth nobody talks about. What if I told you that the biggest financial mistake most Americans make isn't spending too much money? It's not inflation. It's not the economy. And it's definitely not a lack of opportunity. The real problem is that most people spend their entire lives chasing money instead of building wealth. Think about it. Millions of Americans wake up every morning, drive through traffic, work long hours, come home exhausted, and repeat the same routine for decades. Yet somehow, many still struggle financially. Why? Because they've been taught how to earn money, but never how to make money work for them. Today, we're going to talk about the mindset shift that separates ordinary people from financially successful people. And if you stay until the end of this video, you'll understand why some people get richer every year while others stay stuck in the same place. Let's get started. The system most people never question. From the time we're kids, we're given a blueprint. Go to school, get good grades, find a stable job, work hard, save money, retire someday. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's the problem. The world has changed. Technology is evolving faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Entire careers are disappearing, and the cost of living keeps rising. Yet millions of people are still following a financial playbook that was designed decades ago. Now, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with having a job. A job can provide security and stability. But relying on a single source of income is one of the riskiest financial decisions you can make. Because if that paycheck disappears, everything changes. That's why financially successful people focus on building multiple streams of income. Not because they're smarter, but because they understand one simple principle. Never depend on a single source for your future. The difference between income and wealth. Here's something most people don't realize. High income does not automatically create wealth. There are doctors making hundreds of thousands of dollars every year who are deeply in debt. And there are business owners earning far less who have built real financial freedom. Why? Because income and wealth are not the same thing. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep and grow. Most people increase their lifestyle every time they make more money. Bigger house, new car, more expensive vacations, higher monthly payments, and before they know it, they're earning more than ever, but still living paycheck to paycheck. Wealthy people think differently. Instead of spending every extra dollar, they invest it. They buy assets. They build businesses. They create systems that generate income long after the work is done. That's how wealth is built. Not overnight, but consistently over time. Why most people never reach their potential. Let's be honest. The biggest obstacle isn't money. It's comfort. Most people want success, but they don't want uncertainty. They want financial freedom, but they don't want to take risks. They want extraordinary results, but they live ordinary habits. The truth is, growth requires discomfort. Every successful entrepreneur has faced rejection. Every successful investor has made mistakes. Every successful business owner has experienced failure. The difference is, they didn't quit. They kept going. While most people stop at the first sign of difficulty, success isn't about being fearless. It's about moving forward despite fear. That's what separates winners from everyone else. The greatest opportunity in history. Think about what we have access to today. You can learn almost any skill online. You can start a business from your laptop. You can reach millions of people through social media. You can create content, sell products, build an audience, and generate income from anywhere. Never in human history has so much opportunity been available to so many people, yet most people never take advantage of it. Why? Because opportunity is usually disguised as hard work. Everyone wants the reward. Few people are willing to earn it. While some people spend hours scrolling through social media, others are building brands, learning skills, creating businesses, and investing in their future. 5 years from now, those choices will create completely different lives. Part 5. Your future is being created right now. Imagine it's 5 years from today. One version of you kept making excuses, kept waiting for the perfect moment, kept saying, "I'll start tomorrow." 5 years later, nothing changed. Now imagine another version of you, someone who started today, someone who learned new skills, built discipline, took action consistently, made mistakes,
learned from them, and kept moving forward. 5 years later, that person's life looks completely different. Here's the truth. Both futures are possible. The only difference is the decisions you make starting today, because success isn't built in a single day. It's built in the small choices you make every day, the books you read, the skills you learn, the habits you develop, the actions you take when nobody is watching. That's what creates success. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe for more content on business, wealth creation, entrepreneurship, and financial freedom. Remember this: the life you want isn't waiting for you in the future. It's being built by the choices you make today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.